There are so many ways you can make money on the Coinmarketcap app. And today's class, I'm going to be showing you a number of ways that I use to make $1 or $2 from the crypto space. Welcome to this Web3 classroom in which I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money from cryptos, ranging from cryptocurrencies, airdrops, and other things, including Web3 jobs like DeFi and all that. Okay, so if this sounds interesting to you and you're new to this channel, just click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification because as you can see, check through my channel, I drop updates on airdrops, and subsequently I'm going to be uploading content on the crypto and how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, how to spot the right cryptocurrencies. If these things are the things that you love, how to buy coins when they are low and sell them when they are high, how to spot coins that will do 100x 1000x in the bull run. If this sounds interesting to you, just subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. All right, so to get to this app, all you have to do is switch over to your Play Store. Now on your Google Play Store, you type Coinmarketcap, Coinmarketcap, right? Market cap. However you type it, either you type it together or you type it separately. All right. So this is the first search, and then as you can see, I already have it. So they're asking me to update it. So this is what it looks like. Just click on it and then you install it. Okay, because I already have it, they're asking me to update it. So I'll just go to my app and open it, right? So this is what the app looks like. This is the logo and I'm opening it. Right, so as you can see, there are a number of coins. It will interest you that there are thousands and thousands of coins here. Like almost all the coins in the market, the cryptocurrency space is right here on the Coinmarketcap app, right? There are a lot of ways you can make money from this app. All right, just by using this app you can be making small bucks for yourself. All right, this is the first thing you should look at when you get to this app. This is the first thing, in fact, as a crypto trader or as a crypto enthusiast. If you're a beginner and you love crypto and you want to know what crypto is about, you want to know how to trade this, how to buy and sell, how to monitor your coins, your portfolio, this video, you shouldn't skip any part of it. Right, so you switch over to this place, just click right here, and this is called the fear and greed. This is the fear and greed index, right? So currently now, all right, we are in the 64 of the fear and greed index, right? This fear and greed index, there are different colors on this fear and greed index. When the color is on the red, when the knob is on the red, this knob right here is on the red, right? Hold on, let me use my pen. Right, this knob, when this knob is on the red, right, when it's on the red, that means that there is serious fear in the market, and people are selling. Like there is a strong sell power in the market. A lot of persons are selling off their currency and cryptocurrencies, and the market is really bearish. Right, when the knob is right sitting right here, it means that the market is highly bullish and there are a lot of buyers and investors are investing, and there is a lot of buys in the market. Then when the knob is sitting right here, it means that the market is indecisive. People don't know if they should buy or they should sell. All right, so the market is indecisive. Okay, this is how to study this thing. All right, so if you have your coins, you have to be using this fear and greed index. You have to be using this fear and greed index to determine if you're going to be buying or you're going to hold or you're going to sell off your bags. Right, there are lots of cryptocurrencies on this application alone. A lot of cryptocurrencies are here on this application. Okay, you can make money from these cryptocurrencies just by getting to know this information I'm going to share with you in this video right now. So all you have to do, you just go to over to this search icon, just click on this search icon, and then when you're here, as you can see, um for the past 24 hours, some coins have been trending. Okay, so there are some coins that have been top searched, and as such they have been trending for the past 24 hours. As you can see, we are under the trending, and as you can see, these are the coins that are trending. This is arrow goat, and this is zro, this is Thai, this is AMC, and a number of them. Okay, this is Pixel Finance, this Pixel Verse, the popular Pixel Verse airdrop. This is the coin, and it has been trending for the past 24 hours. So as you can see, these are trending coins. You can make money from these trending coins, right? Okay, so how do you do that? You can just click on them and see. Let's check the arrow goat. Let's check it out. All right, this is the arrow goat, and for the past 1 day now, it has been doing well. Like the candles have been really bullish. Okay, it has been really bullish like this, and currently now it is. If you purchase this coin, this is not a financial advice. If you purchase this coin, it has the probability of increasing in price. All right, it has the probability of increasing in price, right? Because this looks a little bit bullish. Okay, so you can make money from these coins by, had it been, okay, let's go back to this other one called AMC. This AMC, okay, it has been doing well. It has done 15% profit in the past 24 hours. According to the data we are getting here, it has done 15%. Okay, how do you trade this? How do you buy these coins? Okay, how do you buy these coins? All you have to do is you scroll over to the markets. Make sure you make your research on these coins first before you purchase them. Okay, you scroll over to the markets, and okay, you check you check the pair price, the liquidity, and the 24 hours volume. Right, as you can see, this is the pair, and this is the pair that this cryptocurrency is trading. Right, this is AMCWETH. So this is on the Ethereum blockchain. So, and it's trading on the Uniswap. So it is a decentralized exchange that is trading. It's not trading on the centralized exchange like Binance, Bybit, and the rest. Okay, so this is trading on the centralized exchange, right? So, and another thing you have to check out for is the liquidity of the pair, right? So make sure you check out for the liquidity, right? The liquidity of the coin, and the 24 hours volume. 24 hours volume means the amount of money people have been putting inside this coin for the past 24 hours. All right, within the past 24 hours, how much people have been using to trade this coin so far. All right, so you have to check out that the higher the 24 hours volume, the higher the probability of the coin to rise. All right, so the reason why it is important to check out for this liquidity and 24 hours volume is that some coins will just be there in the market, but they are not moving. Okay, because the liquidity is low. If the liquidity is low on an exchange, it means that there are not much investors on that platform. A lot of persons are not interested in that platform. If there is low liquidity on a coin, it says a lot about that coin. It tells you that that coin does not have a lot of investors. A lot of persons are not interested in that coin. Okay, so make sure that there is high liquidity and also high trading volume, right? So that is that for AMC. So let's go back to check other coins. Let's go back to check other coins. All right, let's check out this Pixel Finance. Let's check out Pixel Finance. And as you can see, it has been bearish for the past few hours, right? This coin launched and it's skyrocketed to over 0.09, and currently now it's down. Okay, so sometimes you can take advantage of this bearish movement while it's going down like this. You can actually make money when the market is bearish. Okay, you can actually make money from futures market. Like if you're good with your analysis, you can make money by selling a token. Yes, you can make money using futures. by going short. You go short on the trade, you can throw in a few dollars and you short it, and maybe you should use increase your leverage, or manage your leverage and your risk, and you are able to make a few bucks for yourself, right? Okay, so if you short this pair, this trade, right, using 10x for instance, before this market dropped by 28%, you would have been 280% in profit. You would have been 289% in profit right now, because the market is about 200. As you can see, it just entered 229.49. That means you would have um gotten to 294% profit, right? 294% profit in just 1 hour, because this is 1 hour interval. All right, so that is basically these are the few methods you can use to make money on the coin market app. And I promise you guys that I'll be giving you guys updates on other ways you can make money on this coin market cap app, all right, and in cryptocurrencies in general. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how to spot 100x potential coin. So if you're interested in such an update, just make sure you like this video and comment that you're interested, and tell me your area of interest, and I'm going to relate and I'm going to emphasize on it in my next video. All right guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.